Hey, welcome back to Bremen High School. We've just unveiled the rock, and head coach of the Bremen Lions spoke on behalf of the members of the family. A pretty emotional time, but a great sense of strength right there, the new rock.
Yes, it was. You know, this fall will be the 5-year mark, and so it's kind of bittersweet. It was brought back some emotional memories that, you know, weren't so good, but yet we look forward to having the opportunity to be able to stop by and honor them and pay our respect at our own time, at our own pace, in our own way.
Yeah, I know Jonesy would be looking down saying, "Come on, Dina, you got me a rock. Are you kidding me?" He would be laughing, but they would be also thinking football. They were your statisticians. Tonight you play Tippecanoe Valley. You got to be fired up for that game, and knowing that this is such a great night, and the football team is out here to support it too.
Yeah, it's going to be important to me and my staff that, you know, the kids will always understand what that rock stands for, just as Ryan's rock. You know, as time goes by, people will, you know, it'll be a little less and less, but, you know, I think the 3C's rock will be a little different because it affected, you know, 3 families and, you know, the couple that survived yet too. So I think the longevity of it will be really good.
All right, good luck tonight. Go get Tippecanoe Valley. First home game tonight. It's going to be big.